Hey, Jim here from K2 Concepts. Apparently I lit the internet on fire with my siphon feed, do it yourself. Relax, I'll explain it. Okay, so technically, if you want to use the term, every blast cabinet has a siphon feed. Alright, so most blast cabinets are constructed this way. They funnel media down. You've got a little door here to, dump the feed, but you also have a tube here which goes down into the media. Most of them have a little hole here to help the air come in, so once you pull the trigger on the gun or the pedal or whatever, at that point you've got your particulates coming up with the airflow. The airflow coming in here helps create a vacuum. It's kind of like when you open a window on your car, and all of a sudden you feel that it's pulling, it's creating a vacuum within your car. So the same effect. Now you got air coming up here, and what it's doing is it's picking up the media. That's a pickup tube. All right, pick up. There you go. All right. The alternative is the siphon feed. So it's the same thing, except you've got the media coming down. Now at this point, what you'll do is we are creating a siphon here. So all the media comes in here. You have your airflow, a valve that you can adjust, and at that point it starts to pick up the media, goes back up into your gun. The advantage of this is that you're not going to get a pulsating. What happens is, unfortunately, media doesn't flow. It doesn't always sit in here like this. So it'll, depending on the shape, it'll build up, and sometimes it'll cover this air hole that's trying to get flow, and that'll interrupt. And what'll happen is it'll pulse. So all of a sudden you're not getting any media, so you're not doing anything except for, triggering air, unfortunately. And or you could have contamination with your airflow, you could have contamination with your media that's blocking this, and then you gotta, sometimes in the previous pass I'll disconnect this and blow air back through that and dislodge anything that's in there. And it just becomes a pain in the butt. So we started filtering, and we know our air system does not introduce any moisture. Our system's inside, so it's not like there's any moisture being introduced from the ambient air either. So what we've narrowed it down to is the simple fact that we don't get a constant flow. So no matter what happens with your media, with the siphon feed, it will all go to the bottom and feed in the tube and get up to your gun. So that's going to increase your efficiency. All right, we built our own. So this is our version of it. It may or may not work, but we're going to cut the hole tomorrow in the bottom of the feed, and the media should be able to feed in here. It's a 1-inch round. Come through here, we can adjust our airflow here, and then the media should go out into a 1/2-inch hose up into the gun. And I'll do all those modifications tomorrow, so we'll shoot a video then. But that's the difference between a pickup tube and a siphon feed. Pickup tube, you're relegated sometimes to how clean your air is and how clean your media is. With a siphon feed, you should get a much better flow of air, consistent flow, and that'll speed up your process. So this is part 2 of that. And what I'll do at the end of this is I'll shoot a video on all the different modifications that we made. Not a lot of them, but some of them are pretty, important to our blast cabinet. We have a Cyclone. There are some things I'm going to put on them, but for the most part, it's a good quality cabinet that I think that Just needs a little bit of touch up. So anyhow, that's it for this one. Join us on the forum, k2forums.com. You can email me at k2forums@gmail.com. Any activators, activator guns, or other supplies, k2shoponline.com. A little Corona for the haters. Probably should have started out that way. And that's it for this one. I hope you guys are having a good day dipping. I hope that you found this informative. We'll talk to you later.